Howdy YouTube. Today, just a little quick tip for you. I want to show you how to check the amount of grease in your grease gun. Now, you can't tell, obviously, by looking in at it how much grease is there, because it's a solid tube. So, how you check is your plunger rod here. Pull out on it. That's how much grease you have left. And the way that works is there's a metal plate in here that's got a spring behind it. And as you pump the grease, that spring puts pressure on that plate, the plunger, and it goes up the tube as you pump grease, cleaning the tube out mostly and keeping your grease flowing. So, this is a new tube, pretty much. So it's down in here somewhere, so the rod will pull back all the way. If it was a half tube of grease and the plunger plate was right there, when you'd pull out on it, it'd stop part way, not all the way. So that is how you check to see how much grease is in your grease gun. I hope that helped you guys. A little quick tip, something I didn't know and when I was first starting out, and someone passed on to me, so I'll pass it on to you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more. Until next time, stay crazy.